Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to completely remove WordPress theme files from Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account, then go to websites, and next to the WordPress website that you want to completely remove a WordPress theme files on, click on WordPress admin. This way, you will automatically log into your WordPress dashboard. Then go to Appearance. Here, as you see, I have this Bluehost blueprint template that I want to use. So first, I will move or switch to a different template. So let's activate this 2025 template. And now that the active WordPress theme is different than the one I want to delete, I can go back to my Bluehost account and then click on Manage next to the same WordPress website. Then go to Files and Access, and then next to File Manager, click on this Manage button. These are my WordPress website files. Now to locate this Bluehost blueprint theme files, simply double click this folder called WP content, then double click the themes folder like that, and now you will see your themes here, or themes files or folders here, and this is the Bluehost blueprint theme that I want to delete. So click on it with the right button of your mouse like that and select delete from this menu. Here you can keep the deleted files or themes files in the trash, or skip the trash and permanently delete the files, which I will go with. Click on confirm. Now that my WordPress theme is completely removed here, before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now that my WordPress theme is completely removed here, let's go back to the themes, to the same themes page. And when I refresh this page, this theme should disappear. Just like that. And this is how to delete, or this is how to completely remove WordPress theme files from Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.